Cricket origin originated in England and is now a popular sport worldwide. Players played between two teams, each with 11 players. Objective: the main goal is to score more runs than the opposing team. Runs are scored by hitting the ball and running between two sets of wickets. Field cricket, played on a large oval or circular field with a 22-yard pitch in the center where most of the action takes place. Equipment requires a variety of equipment, including bats, balls, wickets, protective gear, and specialized clothing. Rules: the game involves two main roles, batting and bowling. The batting team tries to score runs, while the bowling team tries to get the batsman out. Matches can be of different formats, such as Test, One-Day, or T20 cricket. Duration: matches can range from a few hours T20 to up to 5 days Test matches. Gameplay involves complex strategies with batting, bowling, and fielding techniques. The game includes several forms like Test cricket, One-Day internationals, and T20 internationals. Summary table feature: Kho Kho cricket, origin India. England players 9 per team, 11 per team. Objective: tagging opponents, scoring runs, and getting out batsmen. Field: rectangular field, oval, circular field. Equipment: minimal, just the field, bat, ball, wickets, protective gear. Rules: tagging game, chasing and running, batting, bowling, and fielding roles. Duration: 18 minutes, 2 innings of 9 minutes each, from a few hours to several days. Gameplay: tag opponents, strategic movements, complex strategies, different formats.